Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the Mihon extension version and the host browser. This matters because compatibility changes behavior. Once done, export and backup your Mihon settings so you can restore quickly if needed. Next, disable potential conflicts, ad blockers, VPN, or script managers, because they commonly block extension resources. You'll notice errors disappear when those are off. Make sure to restart the browser after each change, so extensions reload cleanly, and you can observe immediate effects. Now dig into diagnostics. Clear cache and site data for pages Mihon interacts with, because stale files often cause failures. After that, remove Mihon fully, reboot the browser, and install a fresh copy. This fixes corrupted installs. Open the DevTools console and the Network tab. Watch for 404s, CORS errors, or blocked resources. These tell you why features fail. If you see blocked requests, make a note of exact file names and error codes, then adjust permissions or server settings accordingly. To finish, re-enable other extensions one at a time and test Mihon after each. This isolates any remaining conflict. Once stable, restore your backup configuration and verify core functions, sync, UI responsiveness, and keyboard shortcuts to ensure full recovery. If problems persist, collect detailed logs, console output, a network HAR file, and the extension ID. Send those to support or use them to search known issues. One key tip: try a clean browser profile. It often reveals profile-specific corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.